I try and try and try. That's another discussion for another time. Hi everyone, welcome. How are you? I have some bags and boxes and things, oh my, to open. I don't know what's what. I think I'm going to just choose randomly from eeny meeny miny kitten toe. I don't know what that is, but anyway, let's see what this one is. Drum roll, please. Oh, this is pretty. I think I've opened something similar, but it doesn't have this detail. Look at how beautiful. This is a, not felt, not velvet, suede-like bag. A beautiful sun pull. Oh, there you go. The little sunflowers embossed on the fabric. I'm thinking that this may be March's because it's spring-like, although this isn't spring-like, but that's spring-like. Oh, I was right. I'm so good. No, I'm not, but this is March 2026, and again, it's Do Less, Glow More. Anyway, let's get into the bag. This is from Oracle, not O-R-A-C-L, but A-U-R-A-C-L, and it's Dieux. Remember, I don't do languages well, and that pronunciation sounded so dumb, because French, I think, is my worst. And it is, a reviving eye gel. Look how cute. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. It's an eye cream, Leann, but the detail and the packaging is very cute, and this is extremely tiny. How much is this? It's 0.1 or 3 milliliters, and this is a metal tube, which may make it hard to get all of the product out of it. What I normally do with my squeezy tubes is I snip and then use like one of those silicone scoopers to get the product out. This I may have to do something like a toothpaste roller. This is from Hola Neon, and it is a lip oil. Look how beautiful the box is. I don't think you can see how metallic. No, not metallic. Oh, Hola Neon. The box is neon orange. It's only $5.52. I'm on spring break. I should not be this tired. It's the lip drip. I have mine in the color, flavor, whatever, called Gloss Me. And oh, that's not what I expected. That is, I won't judge it yet. No scent, which is a little bit disappointing. Oh, it looks on the sheer side, which is good. There you go. Okay, I'm going to try it on. Let's try it on because I got to do that. It has a rather stiff applicator. I keep using Miss Piggy here as my backdrop.
Remember this!
It's a flat paddle. It has like a little bit of that velvety texture, but it's very stiff. It's comfortable. It's not too slippery, not too silicone-y. I think it gives a nice sheen. I may have still had, whatever, a little bit of the other lipstick on, so I don't know if that makes a difference, but I definitely like it. Okay, this is from Olivia Uma. Love the pink and green. It's called Pudding Calming Everyday Cream. Ow. It says smooth, soothe, calm, and hydrate, and I just read little tiny letters on the back with this, that it is a face cream. Alrighty then, let's continue to move on. The next thing is Beauty for Real. There's too many brands. Beauty for Real, Beauty for Certain. I can't keep track. I'm pretty sure I like the brand though, and this looks to be like it is a lip liner, and it is in Define. There's a color on the end here. I have not given up on lip liners. I try and try and try. I don't want to overline because I don't like the way it looks on me in particular. And so that's why I stay away from darker colors and lining my lips. Do I love a roll-up or do I love a sharpenable pencil? I think it depends upon the texture. Let me not break the tip. It's very loose as it rolls up. Feels creamy. Kind of matches that one a little bit. All right, we'll try. Can't hurt to try, right? I'm looking in the mirror, and all I see is the unevenness. And no matter how hard I try, this is the Glow Recipe Toner Pad Collection Trial Set. Comes with 3 different pads. It says PDRN Plus Repair and Soothe Toner Pads. This actually has 2 of them in here. This is the LHA and AHA exfoliating toner pads, and this has also 2 pads. Okay, I love Glow Recipe. And this is a vitamin C brightening pad, and again, 2. Anyway, let's discuss the Beautiful Real Define Lip Liner in Universal Cool. I didn't read that before. It is on the cool side, yet I think I like it on my lips. This mauve nude pink. This is, of course, full size, and they're claiming that this is $19, which that's another discussion for another time. Okay, this little guy that I'm so excited about, the
Dieux
Oracle Eye Serum, and the 0.68 ounce, only $44. Now I say only $44 because attention to detail that they put into just the sample. Olivium, that's what I'm going to go with. They put in Calming Everyday Cream. It's supposed to give you that glassy appearance. How come on other people, the glass skin look, it makes them look gorgeous? On me, I look like I dipped my face in a vat of cooking oil. Okay, so believe it or not, 50 mils of this, which is about 1.5 fluid ounces, yes, I had to look that up, is $48, and this is basically a fifth of what you get in the full size, because this is 10 milliliters. This is the Hola Neon Lip Drip Lip Oil in Gloss Me. This is full size, and it is $21. Why I said it like that, I have no idea. I think that's my teaching voice. The Glow Recipe Toner Pad Collection Trial Set. Well, this is cool. This is a brand new product because they're saying we're the first people to try it, and a full count is 60 pads for $30. So what I found out about the Glow Recipe Itchy Nose is that you can buy the 3 of them in one kit, that being 5 pads each, for $25, or as I mentioned, you can buy each of them individually in a jar, and those you're getting 60 pads for $30. I mean, but if you think about it, 50 cents for 1 pad, is that worth it? I would be very curious to hear your thoughts. Even masks these days, when I think about like $4 for a mask and use it once and you throw it away, I even have a hard time with that. I really like my bag. I got a nice variety of products. I don't know which one I picked, but I just spit. Whatever one that I did pick, I'm just happy with everything. I love the actual bag itself. And yeah, this one made me happy. I have absolutely no complaints. And with that, I'm going to say thank you so much for hanging out with me. You're all amazingly wonderful people. I'm going to say happy Passover and happy Easter to you. I doubt highly that I will get this up before. So if you're seeing this after the fact, when my lazy Tookus actually gets it up, I hope you had in the past. And
who knew exactly how far in the past.
Anyway, I love you guys, and I will see you soon. Much love. Bye.